Easter joy, time to decorate. It's almost Easter, time to fill our homes with happiness. Let's bring the spring inside. Bright colors and fun decorations make everything cheerful. Easter is about new beginnings. It's a wonderful time to decorate. Let's make our homes as joyful as Easter morning. Imagine family gatherings in a beautifully decorated space. Laughter and joy, surrounded by Easter cheer. It's time to get creative and have some fun. Let's make this Easter the most beautiful one yet. Bunnies and eggs are Easter essentials. They are cute and full of tradition. Place bunny figurines around your home. Fill baskets with colorful eggs. Paint eggs with bright colors and patterns. Place them in pretty bowls or baskets. Use pastel-colored ribbons for an elegant touch. These little touches bring the spirit of Easter alive. Add a modern twist to your Easter decorations. Think geometric patterns and bright colors. Use metallic paint on eggs for a chic look. Create a centerpiece with fresh flowers and a modern bunny statue. Use natural elements like branches and moss for a rustic feel. Don't be afraid to be creative and think outside the basket. DIY decorations are fun and budget-friendly. Get the kids involved. Make bunny garlands with construction paper. Create colorful egg decorations with felt and glue. Upcycle jars into vases for beautiful spring bouquets. Use fabric scraps to make cute bunny ears. These personal touches make your decorations even more special. Let your creativity shine this Easter.